Okay, so I already know you're most likely like, Sin. Hi my loves, Sin out here coming to you with another video, and this video is sponsored by Poshmark. Now, I am all for making coin. I am all for clearing things out with the old and with the new, and the things that are owed to you are not necessarily owed to other people. I have a lot of stuff that I bought when I was a little fluffier. I have a lot of stuff that I bought before I started my fitness journey and stuff like that, or things that are not necessarily too big for me, but I've already worn and it has thousands of views, and if I put it on again, people gonna know that it was in the video. So let's get into it. I want to show you guys some things that are in my closet, so let's get started. But this is how the bag looks, and I've literally what had happened was, like, my girls, they still like sit where they supposed to and stuff, but when I bought this dress, I had a lot more boobs. You don't even really think about the fact that when you lose weight and you got big boobs, that it could possibly be fat. I never thought about that. Really cute too. Now this is one that I wore for, actually it was my last photo shoot. I'm not one of those people that like to take photos like crazy, so no, not my last photo shoot, my second to last photo shoot. And I wore this dress, and that one, I'll put the picture right here. I look so chunky in the dress. I mean, whatever, like whatever compared to now, because then girl, I thought I was cute. Okay, just to show you that this dress is like on the one size fits all type of thing. Okay, kind of like this dress right here is like the one size fits all thing, and then there is like a little band on the inside, unless you have like pasties or something like that. This is one of those dresses that you don't wear a Broadway. Okay, but my stuff, girl, I was clean. Okay, this is how this one is looking, and I love this, but you, like I said, there's space in the back. And do we like this one? Do we like this one? Okay, next. Listen to me really quick, okay? So listen here. This one here is for absolutely grown people, okay? This is one of those, like, if you out here in these streets and you don't mind your girl saying hello to everybody that walk past you, baby, this shirt is for you. Baby, this dress is for you. But I have not been okay with my girl saying hello to everybody that walks past, because I am somebody's stuff, okay? So I have never worn this dress before, ever, and other than that, this one is a body hugger, okay? Like, I love. And I'm short, so it goes like all the way down here, but I could see it going up further, and that's the way the back looks. I'm not even gonna lie, this is not a romper that I really want to get rid of. I freaking love this romper, but what had happened was the video that I made about the truth about the hair texture chart, the real texture chart or something like that, I wore this thing on it, and people was asking me about, like, people was emailing me about this romper. So I'm like, bro, like, I've only worn this romper twice, and I feel like I can never wear it again, because they're gonna be like, ain't they seeing had on in that one video and stuff? But I love this romper. Like, these are shoes. Put them on for you in a second. And like, the soles are barely dirty, because I've wore these shoes twice. So let's put them on. As you can see, I have been tearing my room up for y'all. But do you see what I'm talking about? Like, I just love this romper because it just make my waist look all snatched, honey. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but the camera just makes me look so fluffy. I don't call people fat, I say fluffy. The camera just makes me look so fluffy, but girl, I be cute, okay? And there's nothing wrong with that string. I just don't want to tie it tight because I'm gonna take them off. So that is it, and that is all. I love you guys so much. So like I said, make sure you go ahead and check out my Poshmark store if you want any of the items that you just saw here, along with a lot of other things. I'm gonna keep updating my Poshmark, you guys. If any of you have a closet full of things that you just want to get rid of, or a whole lot of things that you just want to get rid of that's still in really good condition, then why don't you go ahead and throw your trash away, because it will be somebody else's treasure. Because honey, I love it, and I've already shopped on Poshmark a couple of times. So yes, so once again, make sure you homework, go ahead and download that Poshmark app. Make sure you check out my link. All of the information will be left in the description box below. I am telling you, this is a really quick and easy way for you to make some coin. And as you know, sell your stuff, you can have money for stuff that you need in everyday life, or that could be the money that you use for clothes. Sell your old clothes to buy some new stuff, okay? I love you guys so much. I hope this helps. If you are not doing so already, make sure you are subscribed here to my channel. And once you subscribe, make sure you click that little bell, so that way you are notified every time I post a video. And I'm finishing up in this one because I feel like this is the last time that I have it on with my waist looking like this. So I'm gonna have to find another one where my waist look like this when I sit down, because normally when you sit down there be rolls and stuff, but girl, I be looking cute, okay? I love you guys so much. Until my next video, bye girl.